How to create a visual map. This demo will get you familiar with how to set up a visual map of your Smartsheet solution. Ready? Let's get started. The first thing we want to do is establish a huddle. So, starting from your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen and click the Huddles tab. As a reminder, a huddle is a collection of your Smartsheet assets, sheets, reports, and dashboards that are used to make up your Smartsheet solution. You will be redirected to your Huddles dashboard. From here, you want to click on the Add New Huddle button on the top right-hand corner of your screen. You'll be presented with a context settings box to set up your huddle. So first, let's give our huddle a name. And let's select the primary solution type. Then, let's provide a description of the solution. This will help our AI model provide you with the best documentation possible. So, the more detailed your description, the better. Once we have that description completed, we can go ahead and click Save. We will once again be redirected to our Huddles dashboard. You'll notice that the Huddle environment that you just created is now listed here. Navigate to that environment and click Manage to set up your Huddle's assets. Your Huddle environment will be empty, so let's go ahead and add our assets by clicking Add Assets to this Huddle. Huddle connects directly to your Smartsheet environment, so all of your Smartsheet workspaces will appear under the Workspaces toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen. Select the workspace you would like to start tracking. Once you select your workspace, all of the assets within that workspace will be displayed under the Assets section of your screen. From here, you can select which assets you would like to track as part of your Smartsheet solution. Then click Track Selected. You will be prompted to choose which Huddle environment you would like these assets to be tracked within. Select the environment. Then click Save. Click the Huddles tab to navigate back to your newly created huddle. Great! Your huddle is now all set up. You can see we are now tracking 44 Smartsheet assets within this huddle. Now let's click the Manage button to check out our visual map. Now that all of your assets have been added to your huddle, when we navigate back to your huddle environment, you'll see a visual map of your solution displayed. The map is annotated with icons and colors that identify each asset as a sheet, report, or dashboard. The visual maps are fully configurable, so assets can be adjusted as needed. Or connections can be adjusted as needed. Once all of your adjustments have been made, click on Save Visualization to set the map in its current form. Congrats! Your visual map has been saved. Once saved, all of your assets will take on the color of their asset type. And that's it. It's that simple.